Nestled amidst the lush cedar forests and sprawling apple orchards of Shimla, Kisan Manch stands as a shining example of rural transformation, where farming traditions meet modern infrastructure. This state-of-the-art controlled atmosphere, CA, store and high-tech collection center, located in the heart of the apple-growing belt, is redefining the way farmers handle, store, and market their produce. Serving growers within 100-kilometer radius, the facility can store and handle up to 3,000 metric tons of apples during the peak season, ensuring that every fruit retains its freshness, color, and taste. Beyond storage, Kisan Manch provides a platform where farmers can access reliable post-harvest services, receive guidance on best practices, and connect directly with markets, reducing wastage and increasing income. Hundreds of apple growers in the region are already benefiting from this facility, witnessing firsthand how world-class infrastructure can transform livelihoods, strengthen the local economy, and create opportunities for sustainable growth. For us, Kisan Manch is more than a store, it is a model of innovation, efficiency, and impact, showing how thoughtful investment in agriculture can nurture both people and the region. At Kisan Manch, apple sorting and grading is now being carried out on a world-class optical grading line with a capacity of 5 tons per hour. This state-of-the-art system carefully evaluates every apple for color, size, and quality, and accurately categorizes them into different grades. What makes this line truly remarkable is its plug-and-play design. During the packing season, packing lines can be easily installed to streamline packaging, and once fresh apples start arriving, they can be quickly replaced with bin fillers to efficiently handle large volumes. Beyond speed and efficiency, this grading line brings complete transparency to the process. It ensures that farmers are paid fairly for their produce, based on accurate assessments of quality, quantity, and fruit defects. Each grower receives a detailed report outlining the condition of their apples, helping them understand the strengths and weaknesses of their harvest and make informed decisions for the next season. Every apple that passes through this line is handled with care, guaranteeing that customers receive only the highest quality fruit, while farmers maximize the returns on their hard work. With this process, India's apple ecosystem is moving towards international recognition. But this is not just about technology, it is a revolutionary step in enhancing the value of farmers, produce, and securing a prosperous future. The fast and precise grading line not only saves time but also reduces wastage, ensuring transparency, trust, and fairness in the supply chain. Here at Kisan Manch, traditional farming meets modern infrastructure, taking Himachal's apple industry to new heights. As the sun rises over the orchards, this facility hums with activity, a living testament to what can be achieved when innovation meets dedication. Hundreds of farmers in the region are already benefiting, their livelihoods and futures growing stronger with every season. At Kisan Manch, every apple tells a story, from the orchard to the customer's table. After being carefully graded into multiple categories, the apples are packed with precision, ready to reach customers across India, from the northern valleys of Himachal to the southern coasts, from the eastern plains to the western markets. Each box is filled with a hand-picked selection of apples, ensuring that the taste, aroma, and freshness of the Himalayan hills are preserved for every consumer. Transparency and trust are at the heart of this operation. Kisan Manch has a robust traceability system in place, where apple consignments can be tracked back to the farm it came from. Farmers also know exactly where their produce goes, and customers can be confident of the origin, quality, and freshness of every apple they buy. This combination of careful selection, meticulous packing, and complete traceability ensures that the magic of Himachal's orchards reaches every corner of the country, bringing value to the growers and delight to the consumers. Through Kisan Manch, hundreds of apple farmers across the region are now receiving fair and transparent prices for their produce, with every box accounted for and traceable back to the farm. By reducing post-harvest losses and ensuring quality preservation, the facility is unlocking higher returns for growers while providing consumers across India with the freshness and flavor of the Himalayan hills. But the impact goes beyond economics. Kisan Manch is creating employment opportunities, empowering local youth and women, and fostering skills in modern post-harvest management. It has become a model of how technology, infrastructure, and care for farmers can transform rural economy, setting a benchmark for sustainable and efficient agriculture. From strengthening livelihoods to boosting the region's reputation in national and international markets, this initiative is leaving a lasting legacy, proving that when innovation meets tradition, entire communities can thrive and flourish.